Hi guys, today I have a Dollar Tree DIY project. So I wanted to go ahead and share what items you'll be needing for this project. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and got 4 of these buckets. They're the much wider ones with the twine on the top. I also got this poster stickers, the letters. I went ahead and just got 1 package. And I found the velvet pumpkin decor, but you can use any other pumpkin. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be painting the buckets on the color white. I'm gonna paint them all white, and then I'm gonna paint the little trim here black. This one I finished painting it, and all I'm doing is going with black paint and painting the bottom edge around it, and I already painted the top, as you can see there. So all I'm doing now is just painting the bottom one, and I'll be back and show you what else I'll be doing. So what I did now was just with a brush or with a sponge just marked some black spots all around it. And I also went ahead already and add the letters. So I'm gonna go ahead and spell the word fall. So I have the F here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the A on this one. And then I already took the other one to spray paint it outside. And I'm gonna put an L on that one. And then I'm gonna put the L on this one, fourth. And I'll be using this sticks that I got at the 99-cent store. They were $1.99 when I found them. They were in a package of 10. I'm not sure, I can't recall it, but I have some over there, and I wanted to go ahead and use this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a hole here, and then on the other one I'm gonna do the opposite. And then let me show you right now. So this one I'm gonna want to do it maybe on this side. So I'm gonna flip it and put my nail, which is gonna be in your case your nail, and then just bang it and hit it and make a hole. As you can see there, it made a hole already. So we have the F there with the hole, and now we're gonna do the A, which is gonna be on this side. Make sure you get like a nice, that you're facing the letter to the front of you. Okay, you guys, for the life of me, I could not explain this on the video that I recorded last night, but I wanted to go ahead and do a voiceover so you can have an idea of how I created these holes bigger. So what you want to do is, instead of creating one hole like I showed you in the previous clip, you want to go ahead and create 3, and give it like the shape as a triangle. Once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and create an extra hole in the center of those, and then that's gonna give you a chance to get your pliers and cut throughout those holes so you can create the larger hole that you're wanting to go ahead and add the stick through there, and then just creating the project that I'm doing basically. Now here what you see me doing is just trying to create the hole on the shape a little bit much rounder, so I use my pliers to just do that. What I'm gonna actually be doing is just putting hot glue around it, like a whole bunch, so I'll know that I'll be safe whenever I put my hands in there, or if I change this DIY to something else. But I did want to go ahead and mention that. So now what I'm gonna do is grab my 99-cent store stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert my buckets. The fall one's gonna be first, so basically I'm gonna put it just like that, and I'm gonna hot glue it so it can stay there and not move. Okay, you guys, so this is how it's looking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry and then come back and just do the remaining of the thing. Now here is the hot glue all melted. I went ahead and covered those, you know, little areas that were gonna hurt me in case if I were ever to stick my hand in there. You guys, so I'm actually already done with this project. It's the next day, so you can see that it's much brighter. Now I did want to go ahead and just share how I went ahead and put the pumpkins like this. I had some ads from the stores that we get here on the mail, so I just crumbled them up and put them there, and I went ahead and add the velvet pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree. I also went ahead and add one of these leaves. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it there though, because I don't know yet. Now I'm thinking about adding twine around the wood stick that is going through all the buckets. I'm not sure yet. Now I did wanted to mention that, I'm not sure if I did mention it on the video. If I didn't, I did got the stick, this stick that's going through the buckets from the 99-cent store. I believe it was $1.99 for 6-pack. I'm not sure, I can't recall. It was a while back when they brought their spring items stuff out. So it was a while back. I can't recall how many they came in the package, but it came in handy yesterday because I did this project. I myself really enjoy this project. I really love how it looks. Now I won't be putting it outside yet because I think it's too early to start decorating for outside. So I'm gonna wait, and I probably leave it right here where I have it on my plant. And then I'll show you in a picture later on in the future when I start decorating my door on the outside and put it on Instagram. So if you wanna go ahead and see that, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will be linking the Instagram name at the end of the video if you wanna go ahead and see that. So yeah guys, that's pretty much everything. I hope that you love this project just as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.